Skienza takes, ball's allowed to bounce. He was onside. Certainly tenured coach in charge of one club, and he's been thoroughly entertaining. A flick from Nkunku. Of course, not in Europe last season, Chelsea. To Guillaume. Can he get the shot away? It's credit to Traore trying to stop him. It's going to fall for Guillaume. Nkunku tried to leave it. Games of this sort of stage of the competition. Off because there's a chance for Guillaume. And again! Fell rather fortunately from Honsak. Vanna this time, little flick. And then Vanna. Oh, they could be in here. Jorgensen. Flag stayed down. That's pretty much unheard of, isn't it? Skienza leading the charge. Down goes on several occasions here. Casadei again. End of it. And there's the shot to make already. Dewsbury Hall letting fly this time to Honsak. Vanna again. Oh, that's beautifully done here to wriggle away from both this side. Let's run through for Nkunku. Big chance here from Searsleben. They scored against great run from Sancho. And wanted a foul. You've seen in this competition so far. Here goes Kaufmann. Dewsbury Hall in towards Mark. Then on Wednesday away to Southampton. Joe Nkunku! It's league games. It's league games. He really has been. And two. And two. Dispatched. Here goes Skienza. Second half so far. Vanna takes it on. In from Mudryk. And the cutback. Oh, Skienza. Skienza. Oh, they've got a man. Nice ball that though. Sancho for Nkunku again. Tries to get away from Maloney. Angle against him. Mark Guillaume. Just couldn't sort his feet up. Here come Heidenheim with Kaufmann. Chelsea didn't clear the Traore. Lucas Weber pretty well there. Skienza. Perspective. And he's in Vanna! Oh, side. He just superb. Oh, Dewsbury Hall. Promising. Schoppner, Kaufmann, Nkunku. Traore did well. Rule. Good angle. And Mudryk. That line to me. Chance for Conte to drill. It's offside, isn't it? Well offside. This is Chukwuemeka. Skienza. Oh, what a ball! In there supplementing the attack. And the strike. This was the Dewsbury Hall shot. And while it remains 1-0, who knows? Can Nkunku get his second? No! Not at all. Absolutely sublime. And here's Dewsbury Hall. Oh, and tried to place it. Look, falls nicely. And again, catches the ball. Dewsbury Hall. Easy catch from Hall. Back to Sancho. Delightful. Mudryk. On target again here. Again. And Mudryk. And Mudryk. For Heidenheim, it's 13 attempts, 7. Sancho.